Hey guys, it's Marianne, and this is going to be a quick first impressions video on a new foundation that I am trying out. I really was liking the Revlon Color Stay and the Revlon Photo Ready, but I noticed that as time was going on, I was getting a lot of dry spots with it, and I don't normally have dry skin. You'll have to excuse Princess playing with her toy. She doesn't normally do that unless I'm making a video. So anyway, I noticed that I was getting dry spots mainly around my nose and, you know, my forehead, and I don't have dry skin. If anything, I'm combination oily skin. And underneath that, I was using MAC Studio Finish Concealer. And it was working okay for a while, but, you know, time was going on, and I was really realizing that I didn't like how my skin was really looking. You know, at a glance it looked okay, it looked really good. I think that both products are really great for the right person. I've raved about them before. The coverage is amazing, especially the MAC Studio Finish Concealer, but I feel that that was one of the problems that I was having, was that that was giving me the, you know, the look of dryness and flakiness and cakiness, you know, around my nose and on my forehead. So, I've been watching quite a few people on YouTube who have been saying that they use Clinique products. Now, for those of you who know me, and even those of you who don't know me, I do have acne-prone skin, so I do have to be careful with what kind of foundation I use, because some foundations will break me out really, really bad, others I'll have no reaction to at all. So, one of my new friends on here, Z, her username is PrettyXGirlX81, I believe. I will put a link to her channel in the information bar below. And also Sandy, ThelmaLou475, which I'm sure all you guys know, but again, I will put her link in the bottom bar as well. They both have used Clinique products. And I really wanted to try Clinique because I think they have really good prices, and you know, there's so many department store brands out there that I don't think get enough credit for what they have. I think everybody is so fixated on, you know, especially like on MAC and on NARS and, you know, different products that are mainly sold in Sephora, or obviously MAC is, you know, department store, things like that. NARS is too. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I feel that there are a lot of brands that are really, really good but just don't get enough credit for it. So I went to the Clinique counter, and I explained to the lady there, you know, what was going on with my skin, what I was looking for, and I am so happy I went. I didn't know this, but Clinique has I guess a line of foundations and cleansers and things like that called Acne Solutions. Now, I wouldn't recommend this for somebody who has normal skin, obviously, because, you know, well, I'll get into it. So the foundation I got is Clinique Acne Solutions Liquid Makeup. It's a salicylic acid acne treatment. So it is a foundation, but it's also a treatment for your face. One of the active ingredient in here, though, is salicylic acid. You get 0.5% of that in here. So you want to be careful, obviously, putting this around your eyes, things like that. If you have dry skin, it may dry your skin out even more. This is what the packaging looks like, and this was, I believe, $24.50 US dollars. So you get, let me see if it'll tell me how much I get in here. You get 1 fluid ounce, which I think for $24.50 is a good amount, because a little bit of this goes a long way. And I'm in the color number 3, Fresh Neutral. When the makeup artist put this on me at the counter, she looked at me and she was like, I didn't even use concealer on you, and this is just blending in so nicely with your skin. It's covering up any redness. It's covering up blemishes that you have. And of course I didn't believe her, because in my mind, that's kind of like their job. Like, they're supposed to tell you you look good, and if something doesn't look good, then they're supposed to recommend something else. She gave me a mirror, and I could not believe the difference. She took all my makeup off from one side of my face and left on what I had on the other side, and the difference was night and day. I've been using this I got this last night, so I used it today. So this is my initial impression. I don't know if it's going to make my skin dry. I don't know if it's going to actually help with my acne, but I love this foundation, and it took me 1 day to be able to say that. The coverage is amazing. It's not heavy. It's not cakey. With some foundations, I would put my cell phone to my face, and, you know, when I'm talking on the phone, and I would hang up, and there would be makeup all over my phone. I don't have that with this at all. It matches my skin perfectly. The color is perfect for my skin tone. I'm just really, really happy with it. Again, I wouldn't recommend this for people who have dry skin or just normal skin. They do have a lot of really great foundations there. My mom actually got a foundation as well, and she got a different one though. I believe it was the Super Balanced one. So I would definitely recommend checking out Clinique if you're looking for a new foundation. I mean, their prices are really good. They have a gorgeous eyeshadow palette there right now that I was looking at but I didn't get, and it has really gorgeous purple and a teal and gold in it. Really pretty colors, and like I said, really great for your money. I love this foundation. Just so you guys can see, it's not a pump or anything. It comes off like this, and you just kind of squeeze it out. I only squeezed like 2 drops, maybe 3. At least that's what I did today. Last night she only did 2 drops, but I did 3 because I really like full coverage. And this is for, it's buildable moderate coverage. So I definitely recommend this if you have acne-prone skin to try. See if it'll help your skin. I will definitely do an update video in a few weeks letting you guys know if this has helped my acne, if it's been drying my skin out, anything like that. But as of right now, the first day of using this, I absolutely love it. So if any of you guys have used this or any other, you know, Clinique products, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know, you know, what it was like using them, if you still use them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it for my little rave on the Clinique Acne Solutions foundation. And again, I will do an update video and let you guys know how it's working. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and hugs. Bye-bye.